Welcome to PartsHnC. Is your air conditioner failing to cool your home effectively? Dirty coils might be the issue. Today we'll walk you through cleaning your AC coils to improve efficiency, reduce energy bills, and prolong your unit's lifespan. Let's dive in. Why clean AC coils? Air conditioners depend on two key components: evaporator coils located indoors near the air handler which cool the air, while condenser coils, situated outside, release heat. Dirty coils hinder cooling efficiency, spike energy costs, extend cooling cycles, reduce airflow, and can cause ice buildup. Regular cleaning restores optimal performance, minimizes system wear, and prevents costly repairs. Cleaning outdoor condenser coils. Start by turning off the power at the breaker for safety. Locate the outdoor condenser unit, then use a screwdriver to remove the top and side covers. Bagging the screws for safekeeping. Clear large debris by hand and vacuum smaller particles using a shop vacuum. Straighten bent fins with a fin comb for better airflow. Apply foaming coil cleaner generously to all sides, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to break down grime, then rinse with a garden hose from the inside out. Clean the exterior to flush out debris, let the unit dry fully, and reassemble carefully. Cleaning indoor evaporator coils. Locate the coils near the air handler, remove the access panel, and inspect for dirt buildup. Gently brush off debris, straighten bent fins with a fin comb, apply coil cleaner, let it sit, then mist with water to rinse thoroughly. Allow it to dry before reassembling. When to call a pro? If coils are heavily damaged or you're unsure, contact a technician. Regular cleaning ensures efficiency and comfort. Visit PartsHnC for top quality AC coils at best prices and fast shipping across USA. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.